Hi everybody, it's your girl JillyV. Thank you for coming back to my channel and watching my videos. As you can see, I've already started with this side of my face, so I have a full face of makeup, but I just finished doing this eye for today's look. I'm using the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette today, and I absolutely love this palette just because there's so many beautiful colors. So let's get started. You want a flat shader brush, and this one is the Sedona Lace EB09. So I am going to go with, like I said, the High Dude. Oh, jeez, such a big palette. The High Dude brown, and I'm gonna try to pack it onto the brush, and then I'm gonna put it on the crease, but I'm gonna start from the bottom up because I want to just keep it, you know, I don't want to wing it out and extend it out. Like the brown is just gonna be on the lid. Make sure that you fill in your lid as if you were filling in an upside down half moon. So just make sure that you keep it right here on the lid. You don't want to go past your crease, at least not too much with the color. We're gonna pull it up, but we want the most intensity of the color on the lid. Okay? So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna use the same brush, and then you're just gonna pull up a little bit on the crease, because we're gonna use this color to blend with the burnt orange or the High Dude color. Okay? I'm gonna take a medium-sized blending brush, and this one is the Sedona Lace EB15. Okay, now I'm gonna go with that High Dude of the Boss Angels. Oh, okay. The Boss Angels, which is this one right here. Okay, dab off any extra, and then you're gonna put this above your crease, and then you're gonna make sure that you kind of just mix it in with that brown color. I forget that I can't put that mirror like right in front of the light because you guys can't see. So I apologize. Now, with the same brush, clean it off a little bit. Then you're gonna go in with the color Mr. Diva, which is this one right here. And that is gonna go above your orangey color. Just to create a gradient effect. Very subtle, especially when you mix it with the orange. It obviously is going to, there's going to be more of an orangey tone than the yellow, but it just becomes a lighter orange. Okay, pretty much it. Let's see, what do we do next? I then go with another blending brush. This one I don't have a name of it, but it's a little bit more fluffier than the other. Let's see, it's just a little fatter and shorter, so I feel it's a little bit more dense. So now I'm gonna go with the highlight color, and this is called Lynn. And I'm gonna put this on my brow bone, and I'm gonna mix it in with the last color, which was like the orangey, the yellow color. And I'm just making sure that it's blended very well. What I'm gonna do next is I'm going to go back with that Sedona Lace blending brush. Go back to that yellow just a little bit, and then go back and continue to blend it into now the orange plus the highlighter color. Now take your flat shader brush, and this one is wider than your normal one, as far as like the one that I used. See the difference? I'm gonna go back with my pressed powder, grab some just to clean up the side, the corner of the eye, and make it look a little bit more crisp. Now I'm gonna take the shader brush that we used for the brown, and I'm gonna go back and I'm going to use Girl, which is kind of like a bronzy color right here. And I'm going to put that on the lid just to give it a little bit of a sparkle. So I'm going to concentrate it in the middle. And then pull to the sides. You might need to apply a little bit at a time so that you get the effect that you want. I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24-hour eyeliners in Bourbon, which is just a brown color. So, just brown. And then I'm going to go and line I don't put too much, but the lower lash line. Then grab your black or your zero eyeliner from Urban Decay, and then do your waterline. Grab a small shader brush and go back in with that orangey color, the Boss Angels, and then smoke out your lower lash line. Lastly, what I did was that I used the highlighter, like the face highlighter, and I used that to kind of give myself a little bit more oomph in my corner, brow bone. So just add that here. I think it just pulls the look together a lot better just because it's kind of like a shimmery highlight. And then put some in the inner corner. I'm not going to put any liner today, but I'm going to use the Maybelline The Falsy Lash Lift Mascara. Make sure that you apply a good coat on your top lashes and bottom lashes. And there you go. Okay, last, the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt Gel Mascara in Soft Brown, number 255. And this is just to fill in your brows and set them. There you go. Okay, let's set our faces. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray Long Lasting. There's a Laura Geller 50 Shades Lip Locking Liquid Color. I don't know the color because it doesn't have a name, but it's an orangey. It looks like an orangey color. Kind of like, we'll see. So. Oh, yes. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay. You guys look it. I'm wearing my little head thingy so it takes my hair out of my face. But okay, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, maybe a little bit more blush. Get some color in those streaks. And then reapply the setting spray. Much better. There you go. Alright, so this is your look for today. Hopefully you guys like this look. If you have any ideas for makeup looks for me to do a tutorial, please let me know. Comment on this video and give me some ideas. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and I'm almost choking. Hold on, give me a second. Sorry. Yes, like, share, subscribe, and I hope you come for my next video and watch. So, guys, have a great weekend, and thank you for watching.